Hi guys, welcome to another painting video. This time I wanted to do something that I was thinking about since a few days. One of the video or the experiment that we did, I think it was almost a year ago. I think it was one of the most popular, which was to mix our acrylic with dishwashing liquid. So I think it's very interesting. The result was very interesting. It was, how I could say, it was like when we use silicone, but softer. The cells were more defined or refined, should I say. So I was thinking about it for a few days, like I said. I wanted to try it with silicone and dishwashing liquid. So I think it's going to be interesting. So there's only one way to find out, is to try it and come back at the end. We're going to talk about it. So let's go. Okay guys, so I hope you're gonna agree that the result is great. I think it was a bit what I was expecting. The only thing is on the edge, I think it's because of the silicone, because I have to admit that I did put a lot of silicone in my acrylic, so maybe it was a little bit too much. So you know what to do, put a lot less than what I did. The thing is that on the sides, on the edge of the canvas, the acrylic doesn't seem to stick on the canvas. So what happens is that there's the effect because of the silicone. It gets away from one spot where silicone is more concentrated, so you don't see the paint, and you see the canvas directly on the canvas. So that's why I'm saying that it's a little bit too much silicone. You know what? I think you should put silicone in your cup, or just afterwards when you mix your acrylic, just put the silicone in that way while you're mixing your acrylic with water and in this case dishwashing soap. So I think it's going to be a nice result. It is a nice result, but as usual I don't see it. You see it once it's dry, but I think it's going to be one of the nicest we made. And the thing is, what is strange is that as the time goes by, you see more and more white reappearing, taking over the more black in color. So I think it's very nice. And you know what? It's not that much of a problem, since in the edge, like I said, there's no acrylic. I'm gonna, with the surplus of acrylic, because there's a lot, like always, I'm gonna I take it with a brush, and I'm gonna put some more drops of acrylic over it. So no matter, I think it's gonna look great either way. Well, listen, like we always say, it's subjective. I hope you like it. I hope you're gonna try it. But if you try it this way, don't forget, put a lot less silicone in it. If you have silicone oil, that would be, I think, the best way to put only 2 or 3 drops of silicone in each color. I think the result is going to be perfect, and you won't have the problem that I have on the edge, on the side, which the acrylic doesn't stick. So guys, like always, I hope you like it. I hope you're going to try it. And like always, so please subscribe, leave a comment and share. It's always appreciated. See you on the next video. Take care guys.